Hello guys, looking for a unique and healthy spaghetti recipe that's high in protein and loaded with greens. This delicious dish features a creamy green sauce made from blended spinach, garlic, ginger, sunflower seeds, cashew nuts, and tomatoes. This is just a nutritious blend, and I mix this with a high protein surimi and a healthy hot dogs, and then top it off with some sesame seeds and fresh broccoli. It's so nutritious, satisfying, and full of flavor. Perfect for meal prep, post workout meals, or a wholesome family dinner. If you want to have a wholesome family dinner, try it and let me know what you think about this in the comment section, and if you'll be trying this particular recipe. So the ingredients I've just displayed on the screen, and then I'll go ahead to cook my pasta to it is spaghetti until it is soft, and then I added some salt into the water, and then added my spaghetti and make sure that the spaghetti is all covered in water, and then I drizzle a little bit of olive oil just to avoid the stickiness. Then into my blender I added the sunflower seeds, cashew nuts, garlic, ginger, some onion, and the spinach I already prepared, and then blend that with a little bit of water and bring that paste, that creamy paste for this particular pasta. If you're a lover of pasta and you're looking for a means to lose weight, this particular recipe is basically for you, and you're not stumbling on this video for by mistake. So if you have just stumbled upon this video for the first time, please do well to subscribe to this channel, because I share good recipes like this one you're seeing right now on your screen. So if spaghetti or pasta is something that you love and you want to lose weight or control your weight, this is just a way to tell you that you can actually eat your favorite meals, but eat it with nutrient dense fiber and ingredients. So into my pan, I already preheated my pan, and then I will be adding some olive oil, and then I will just stir fry the hot dogs and the surimi and season that until it is well seasoned. And then I will be stir frying this for over like 7 minutes. That depends on how much high flame you have. At this point my flame was at 3, and that is the highest I have, so I wanted it to go faster, but at some point I reduced it to 2 so that it wouldn't burn. It was actually cooked through quite right. So I actually seasoned these also so that it tastes great. So my seasoning is just my own seasoning of choice. You can add yours that you prefer. So I added some all-purpose seasoning and some garlic powder, some citron pepper, and some black pepper. So those are the ingredients I added for the seasoning of these hot dogs and surimi, because hot dogs is already seasoned on its own, so I avoid seasoning it too much so that it doesn't be too salty. So I added just a little of those ingredients, and then added more of the black pepper, because it gives that aroma and the taste and give the flavor that I need for this particular recipe. So after stir frying all of these, I'll be going in now with I'll take that out first. I'll take everything out of the frying pan, and then I go in now with my onion and stir fry it as well. So that's my onion going into the pan. I'll stir fry that for like 2 minutes until it's soft. If you like your onion to be burned, then you can fry for more minutes so that it turns brown. But I decided to fry mine for just 2 minutes so it doesn't burn. I didn't want it to be burned. So I'm going in now with my green mixture and the creamy mixture into the frying pan. The flavor from these ingredients is over the top and over the moon. I mean, it is so flavorful and tasteful. I never knew I could enjoy pasta in this way, but this is a twist. Since I started my weight loss journey, I have been trying a lot of things. I just play with ingredients in my kitchen and I produce a lot of healthy meals. Some of the meals I haven't even posted on this channel because I wanted to try it first and see if it works, but I've actually done a lot of recipes. So at this point, I've added my spices and a little bit of strong chili, and you can add your seasoning of choice. Then I go in with some broccoli so that it actually cooks through as the sauce is also getting ready. So I go in with my spaghetti and then mix that until everything gets into the sauce. I was thinking the spaghetti was too much, but at some point I just added everything. What would I do with the remaining spaghetti? I would only have to throw, so I added all of it into the cooking pan, and then after stirring that until everything gets into the green mixture, then I'll go in now with my stir-fried proteins, which is the hot dog and the surimi, and then just give myself like 2 minutes on the fire and your girl is done from the kitchen. This is very, very simple, easy, high in protein and high in fiber, and it is highly nutrient dense. Healthy fats, high in protein, good fiber in there, some spinach, broccoli, and some nuts. Everything is just high in protein and healthy. If you're someone struggling to lose weight, and meal prepping is one of the things that I have noticed that it works so well if you want to lose weight. Don't just eat anyhow, because the processed food we buy from the shop, it is not really what our body needs. But when you transform your own foods with your own ingredients, with your flavors, and as well thinking about your health, the healthy nature of the food is so amazing. So at this point, everything was well mixed and the taste was so good. Everything was tasting very well. Look at that creaminess. Look at that greenness. I mean, it's so inviting, and I invite you all to try this particular recipe. If you'll be trying these recipes, please mention down below on the comment section if you'll be trying this particular spaghetti. If you love spaghetti and your children, you're a family person who has children and wants to cook pasta in a healthy way, then this is definitely for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Please comment down below if you'll be trying this recipe, and if you have tried it, how does it taste? So I drizzled some sesame seed over it, and it tasted so good, just to add the flavor, the taste and the looks. And then I packaged that into my lunch boxes, and I am done. Happy New Week and happy Mother's Day to all my mothers in the house. Till we meet again, see you in my next video. Stay tuned.